Good morning, everybody. I am Dr. Venu, Chief Secretary. Sir, ഈ അവലോകന യോഗത്തിലേക്ക് ബഹുമാനപ്പെട്ട മുഖ്യമന്ത്രിയെയും ബഹുമാനപ്പെട്ട മന്ത്രിമാരെയും കേന്ദ്ര ഗവൺമെന്റിലെ ഉദ്യോഗസ്ഥ പ്രമുഖരെയും എന്റെ സഹപ്രവർത്തകരെയും എല്ലാം സ്വാഗതം ചെയ്യുന്നു സർ. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this meeting chaired by Honorable Chief Minister of Kerala, Shri Pinarayi Vijayan. I would like to particularly welcome the representatives from our armed forces who have joined us, representatives from the Ministry of Home Affairs, representatives from the NDMA. Particularly, I would like to welcome General Guard, GOC, Section Guard Command, Sri Sanjeev Kumar Jindal, Additional Secretary, Minister of Home Affairs, Lieutenant Mr. Rajendra Singh, NDMA member and head of department, Lieutenant retired NDMA, Mr. Piyush Anand, Director General of NDRF, Brigadier Salil joining us from Trivandrum, representatives of the DSC of Indian Navy, Coast Guard, Air Force, District Administration representative, District Collector is here, the Land Revenue Commissioner. Gentlemen from Government of India, I would like to submit that much of these deliberations will happen in Malayalam, but wherever needed, we will speak in English so that you get the gist of the discussions. At the end of the presentations, you are most welcome to intervene and you may talk in English at that point of time. Is that clear? May I start the proceedings, sir? Okay. Sir, നമ്മുടെ